Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to add auto-caption in PicsArt. Adding auto-caption in PicsArt is a useful feature for enhancing your images with text or simply generate auto-caption from your video. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up your PicsArt application and make sure to sign into your account. Now, click on the plus see all button at the top left and select a video that you want to create auto-caption for from your device's camera roll. Now that you have your video on the screen, go to the bottom of the screen and then look for the Auto CC button and tap on it. In order to use and add auto-caption on your video, you will need to be subscribing to PicsArt Plus. If you are not a premium subscriber, then you will not be able to use the auto-caption tool. If you have the Plus subscription for PicsArt, then you will be able to generate auto-caption for the chosen video. Wait for the exporting process to complete and you will be able to add auto-caption using PicsArt. Once you are done generating the auto-caption, it will be added onto your timeline right beneath your video. After the auto-caption has been generated, you can further customize your caption by using the tools provided at the bottom, from where you can pick styles for your caption, colors, shadow, format, and other tools. Make sure to place the caption on your desired area within the frame, and that is how you should be able to add auto-caption. After you are done, you can simply go ahead and save your project or share it directly onto other social media platforms. So that's how you easily add auto-caption in PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.